I'm heading to my second home during COVID, this cafe called Coffee Berry. I wanted to paint here today because this is a very special place for me, and I'll tell you the story right now. Before that, I forgot my tripod, so I'm hand holding the phone while filming, and that's why it's just so shaky. And I'm sorry if that's just not great, but I did what I could with what I had. Also, I painted a second picture after this one, so stick around to the end so you can see the result. Anyways, this place is very special for me because it's where I used to come to paint a lot during lockdown and also work. It was one of the few places that I could actually sit for a long time and feel kind of like cozy at home. Thanks to the fact that I was a regular, I became very well known with the owners. I talked to them a lot and they talked to me a lot, and they ended up buying one of my books, which is a story about the lessons I learned from a 2,000-kilometer cycling trip through Norway. Also, since I started painting with watercolors, I used to come here a lot and paint here while having coffee. And one day, the owner asked me, "Hey, do you actually, make prints, or would you like to show me some of your paintings?" And then I was like, "Yeah, sure. Like, here's the notebook." And then she just skimmed through it and she was like, "Oh, I really like this one. I wish that I could put this in the wall." And that's when I told her, "Well, I mean, I could make a print of it and then hang it up, you know?" And she was like, "Oh, really? You would do that?" I was like, "Yeah, sure. I mean, why not? It's advertising for me. It's good for you. Why not?" And so since then, there's a few of my paintings, I think it's about 7, that are still hanging there today. And that's very special. And I actually forgot to take a video of them, but it's okay. I'll probably come back here again to paint, and I will get to show you guys those paintings because those are from my very, very beginning with watercolor, and it's very nice. And we never realize how far we can go until we've actually taken the steps and travel far and look back and see how far we've come. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you tomorrow.